Hello students, how are you doing? My name is Kaif Khan. I hope you are doing good. Today in this video you will be learning what is well-posed learning in machine learning. You will understand that concept with an example. So let's begin. A well-posed learning problem in machine learning follows a concept borrowed from mathematics, specifically Hadamard's criteria adopted for machine learning by Tom Mitchell. Let's understand that further. A learning problem is well posed if it satisfies three conditions. What are these three conditions? First is task T. There's a clearly defined objective the model must achieve. For example, classifying emails as spam or not spam. Second, that is performance measure P. You can quantitatively evaluate how well the model performs the task. For example, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. And the third, that is E. The model improves its performance from data also known as experience. For example, historical labeled emails helped train the model. So let's dive deep into this concept and I'll explain that. Let's understand what does task mean in a machine learning scenario. Machine learning, as you all know, means we train the machine and it learns from the data to provide more accurate results for future use, as it is a concept from the artificial intelligence that focuses on improving the machines from the previous data. So, as it is mentioned here, that the task is to classify emails as spam or not spam. So, there must be an objective that you must be thinking to achieve for. For example, in this scenario, that is, or classify emails as spam or not spam is the objective. Have all the three scenarios for it to be set well posed problem. Also, the second is performance measure. If you can measure how well the model will perform the task, that would be from accuracy or precision, then it can be said the problem is well posed. Also, if the model improves its performance from data and experience, then it is also said to be well posed. For example, if you mix all these scenarios, then you can understand that if you create a machine learning algorithm which classifies emails and as spam or not spam, there must be certain keywords that we classify from the data to consider a certain emails to be spam or not spam. If there are many emails that comes from the same brand, then that has some certain criteria that are assigned for the task or performance, and which is experience that every time you receive the email, that can be considered as spam. But a problem in machine learning is said to be well posed. A computer program learns to classify emails as spam or not spam with accuracy performance with a dataset using a dataset of labeled emails, that is experience. So the concept I explained in the previous slide is explained here as a definition. So you can say like machine learns to classify emails, that is a task, as spam or not spam, which is also task, with accuracy, that is performance. How accurate the emails are said to be spam or not spam is the performance measure. Using the data set or the data or the previous data that is of labeled emails experience of previous emails, that all we have as a data set, and all this combined to make accurate results that leads to a well posed algorithm or well posed problem. If any of these components is missing or unclear, the problem becomes ill-posed, leading to ambiguous objectives, messy evaluation, or unreliable learning. So, well, I explained that as earlier as well. If these criteria are not present, then the problem becomes the opposite of well-posed, that is ill-posed, leading to ambiguous objectives or like messy evaluation, that means inaccurate results, and unreliable learning, which is an opposite to machine learning. That is like don't get the objective of machine learning. Machine learning is to improve the improve the accuracy performance using the data set. If that is not achieved, then the problem is said to be ill posed. So if you are enjoying or found the value in this video, you can share this video with your friends. you can like, subscribe, and do the part so it can reach to many people. As it is a channel is really growing, so I want this to reach to many people. So that was it, like the concept. It's a simple concept. It is not like you would have to do by heart or definitions. It's a simple concept, I believe. You can understand that by understanding task, performance, and experience. If these three are present in a problem of machine learning and it works properly, it is said to be well posed. If that any of those is missing or does not perform well, then it is said to be ill posed, which is an opposite of well posed. So So we have a quiz that would sum up all the concepts that we have discussed. You can pause this video and answer this in the comment section so you can have better understanding of this concept. That's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. I'll meet you in the next video.